Welcome back! Today we're counting down 20 brilliant handyman tools that combine smart design with practical innovation. Whether you're a pro or a DIY enthusiast, you're bound to find something that will surprise you. Let's get started. This cordless die grinder delivers precision and power with 3 adjustable speed settings, a comfortable grip, and a bright LED for improved visibility. Its durable design helps keep dust away from the motor, making every grinding job smoother, cleaner, and easier. Your old hand file probably saw this coming. Designed for fast professional grouting, this heavy-duty epoxy float features a thick 12mm TPR pad for smooth, even grout application, and an ergonomic grip that reduces hand fatigue. Ideal for natural stone tiles and large projects, it delivers comfort, precision, and efficiency. Your wrists will definitely appreciate the upgrade. The Fanttik Flip Nano Auto Care makes car cleaning faster, easier, and a lot less tiring. Its dual-speed motor, adjustable head, and 8 brush attachments handle everything from dashboards to wheels with ease. Add a long-lasting battery and waterproof design, and you've got a cleaning tool your old sponge definitely won't approve of. The Sunjoe Leaf Blower is a lightweight cordless tool that makes indoor and outdoor cleanup quick and effortless. Its clever 2-in-1 design switches from a standard blower to a handheld model, tackling everything from leaves to dust with ease. No fumes, no pull cords, just clean spaces and fewer excuses. The Huepar GR240 grade. Rod makes leveling and measuring faster with its extendable design, quick-release receiver slider, built-in bubble vial, and easy-to-read dual-sided scale. It helps you find laser lines and take accurate measurements with confidence, because guessing measurements usually ends with someone saying, "Close enough." The Coast Slayer Pro is a rugged, rechargeable flashlight featuring separate flood and spot beams, customizable memory mode, and a removable pocket clip for everyday convenience. With an IP67 waterproof and dust-resistant design, it's built for tough conditions. Bright, dependable, and always ready to outshine your phone's flashlight. This drywall rasp features ultra-durable ceramic teeth that last significantly longer than standard metal teeth, making it perfect for tough gypsum boards. Its double-sided design, angled edges, and non-slip grip provide fast, precise shaping, even in tight corners. It removes material so efficiently your sandpaper might start feeling neglected. The Teslong ACW01. Portable tire inflator offers fast, accurate inflation in a compact cordless design. Featuring a clear digital display, removable 20-volt battery, and USB-C power bank, it's perfect for tires and inflatables. Small enough to store anywhere, but always ready when needed. This 18 volts cordless angle grinder delivers 9,000 revolutions per minute of reliable power with a durable brushless motor. E-brake, e-clutch, and dust-resistant mesh covers enhanced safety and performance, while the rubber grip ensures comfort and control for demanding cutting and grinding tasks every day. This 4-piece diamond drill bit set drills even the hardest porcelain tiles quickly and cleanly without coolant. Its self-cooling, self-sharpening design delivers long-lasting performance, making tough drilling jobs feel surprisingly easy from the very first hole. The Rivet Tool delivers fast, reliable fastening for multiple rivet and lock bolt sizes. Its long-lasting battery and smart rivet counter improve productivity, making it a dependable choice for demanding industrial and professional applications. The VarioStand L is a sturdy aluminum tripod designed for accurate laser measurements on any surface. With adjustable telescopic legs, a smooth crank lift, and dual rubber and steel feet, it provides stable positioning for 1/4 inch and 5/8 inch laser tools with precision. This 20 volts cordless chainsaw combines a powerful brushless motor, quick chain brake, and automatic lubrication system for safe, efficient cutting. It delivers reliable performance while keeping maintenance simple and effortless. The Lift and Drive Mobile Lift Trolley makes lifting and transporting loads simple with ergonomic controls and easy operation. Multiple control options and built-in safety features ensure smooth, secure handling, making everyday lifting tasks safer and more efficient. This adjustable floor grinder stand improves comfort and control with ergonomic handles, adjustable height, and smooth rolling wheels. Designed for large grinding jobs, it reduces fatigue while helping you work more efficiently and achieve consistent results. The Saily Diamond Saw Blade delivers smooth, precise cuts with minimal chipping and excellent durability. Its high-strength steel core ensures stable, vibration-free performance, making it a dependable choice for both DIY renovations and professional construction projects. The E-Cynic 1/4 inch Ratchet Torque Wrench Kit delivers accurate tightening from 5 to 25 Newton meters with a durable chrome vanadium steel build. Complete with 46 sockets and 6 adapters, it's ideal for bikes, small vehicles, and repairs, ensuring every bolt is tightened just right. The Sunjo Go Handheld Pruning Saw packs powerful cordless cutting into a lightweight, one-handed design. Its 6-inch bar easily handles branches, logs, and yard cleanup, while built-in safety features and a complete accessory kit make pruning, trimming, and home projects quick, easy, and hassle-free. The Venon Tools DOA Diamond Drill Bit delivers fast, precise drilling through hard materials with excellent durability and clean results. Its premium diamond construction ensures smooth performance, making it a dependable choice for professionals tackling demanding drilling jobs every day. These technical markers deliver bold, long-lasting marks on glass, metal, wood, concrete, PVC, and more. Their quick-drying alcohol-based ink resists smudging, while durable tips maintain clean, consistent lines. Built for workshop, construction, and installation tasks, they perform reliably even on dusty or slightly oily surfaces. Thanks for watching. We hope you found a few tools to add to your wish list. Tell us your favorite in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more incredible tools and gadgets.